What is Money Pantry? Money Pantry is a personal finance blog with a focus on helping you earn and save more money. We scour the world to bring you extraordinary, unusual, yet practical ways of making and saving more of that all-important dough. This is not a get-rich-quick site. This is a blog for those of us who want a better financial life. A blog for those of us who want to use our skills, knowledge and time as money-making tools so we can get a side hustle going, make some extra money in our free time, save a little more of what we already have, pay off debt, and everything else that makes life a little easier and less stressful. Well, a money pantry, a place where you can come and find all kinds of goodies to help you with your finances. Whether you are looking for ways to earn extra money, ways to save money, or get out of debt, you can count on moneypantry.com to have all the ingredients you need to get cooking. I believe the most important thing you can do to better your financial life is taking action. Here at Money Pantry, you will find actionable tips to help you better your financial situation. To manage your money better, you have to take action. You have to be willing to make sacrifices. You have to be committed. And you have to believe in yourself. It could be a simple saving strategy like putting $1 a day in a piggy bank, going out to dinner once a week instead of 2 or 3 times, starting a blog to make some extra cash, taking on a freelancing project to earn additional money. It could be anything. As long as you take action and do it, you are improving your personal finance. Set the tone. Start taking action today. Make your financial life better. Step 1. Building a blog. Topic selection. There is no restriction on the kind of topics for your blog. You can boast about your lavish lifestyle, write products reviews, brainstorm ideas, observe news or financial market, or share jokes and photo. But if your intent is to monetize your blog, you must choose a profitable topic and your content must serve the interest of others. This is the only way to be assured of traffic to your blog site and a mass audience. Perhaps topic selection is the trickiest part in starting the whole blog. Some things to keep in mind as you pick the topics. The topic is something you have deep knowledge or great expertise on. The topic is something that interests you deeply. A ready and perhaps captive audience for the topic. The topic has an universal appeal. Your content could add value to whatever that were written previously. The topic allows room for discussion. It is not meant to be dead-end. You can build a community with the topic. Write a few articles. Once you have got your topic picked, it's time to write a few articles for your blog. I suggest writing at least 10 articles so you can publish one a day for the first 10 days. From then on, you can write more and publish either daily or a few times a week. The best advice I can give you about the style of your writing is to make it personal. Write as if you are talking to your readers face to face. As you write more and more, you'll find/develop your own voice and style of writing that will help you stand out from the rest. Once you have your 10 starter articles ready, it's time to get your blog. Set up your free blog. Setting up a blog is a breeze nowadays. There are plenty of services to choose from and most of them would host your blogs for free while allowing you to make money. Since I personally used Blogger to build my first free blog, I'll explain how to build yours through Blogger as well. That said, the process is pretty much the same for almost any blogging platform you choose. Creating your blog in blogger.com. Setting up a blog hosting account here involves 3 easy steps. Create an account, name your blog, choose a template, pick from a list of ready-made templates for your blog. It is fuss-free to change the template later, and you could even incorporate your own custom-built template once your blog is set up. Congrats! You have successfully created your first blog completely free. Next step is to publish your first post. Blogger.com will then take you to the composing page. Trust me, composing a blog post is no more difficult than composing an email. Pour your heart out, tweak further if it is necessary, and when click Publish Post button when you are perfectly happy with the content. To have a flavor on how your blog looks like, click the View Blog tab. If further enhancement is required, you can easily make changes. Or you can add new posts to your blogs. That's it. You have just become the latest entrant to the blogosphere. Next step is to keep updating your new blog. From that point on, your job is to keep your blog updated with fresh and useful content. Having lots of useful and quality content on your blog increases the likelihood of your posts ranking in the search engines like Google, thus driving more traffic to your site. You can also take advantage of social media to promote your new blog and drive traffic to it. It is worth mentioning that promoting your blog is a never-ending project. If you want to be successful, you have to constantly promote your blog. Making money with it. Once your blog starts to receive a few hundred visitors a day, you can begin to think about monetizing your blog. Here are a few ways in which you can monetize your blog. Number 1. Contextual ads. There are many different ways you can make money with your blog, but the easiest and most newbie-friendly way is Google AdSense and other contextual ad program. Various technologies, or more specifically contextual ad programs, exist to push automatically dynamic advertisements that are relevant to your blog content. To get started, simply sign up with AdSense. It's free. Once you are approved, log into your account, copy your AdSense code and paste it in your blog where you want the ads to appear. It's that easy. If you use Blogger, it's even easier as Google owns both AdSense and Blogger, and so integrating AdSense to Blogger can be done easily from your new blog dashboard. Once your ads are up and running, you will start earning money. Basically, every time someone clicks on one of the ads displayed by AdSense, you earn a commission. The amount you earn for each click varies based on the ad, and it can. Google will direct deposit your earning every month to your bank account. If you live outside of the US, Google will send you a check. Important: never ever click on your own ads or tell others to do that. Some people may be tempted to click on the ads on their own blog in order to make money. That is against AdSense policy and it will get your account banned. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promotion of products or premium services, which cut you a share of the sales as a reward for your promotional effort. Pick the right promotional banners and insert them into your blog. As mentioned, you are entitled to your fixed commission with every successful sale. There are many great affiliate marketing networks out there with hundreds of offers you can choose from to promote. A few top ones include Linkshare.com, CommissionJunction.com, ClickBank, CPA offers. In a way, CPA, or cost per action, is similar to affiliate marketing programs. However, your payment comes in lieu of completion of certain tasks. Examples include asking users to provide their contact information for future offers, and getting users to download a program to their computer. Some of the CPA networks that are used to find and promote CPA offers include Max Bounty, Panthera Network, ShareASale. Products and services. Once you are able to attract regular and consistent traffic, you may want to contemplate to sell your own products or services there. First off, work to earn your visitors' trust. You then offer specific gigs that you may have demonstrated your mastery, things like photo editing, content marketing, or web design. Donations. If you are fairly confident you have built up deep empathy with your visitors through your blog postings, maybe you can include donation buttons to your blogs. After all, your readers stay with you because they trust you to provide valuable information to them free. By way of donation, it represents their appreciation of the service you render so far, and also a gesture in kind to ensure that you can keep on doing what you do without worry of funding or sustaining. Popular payment processors offer ready-made donation buttons that are customizable, that you can easily insert into your blog's HTML editor or main widget screen. Bottom line. As you can see, building a blog is very easy, but making money with your blog is not that easy. It takes a lot of hard work and patience to make it. Normally, for the first year or so, you are looking at continuous posting at establishing yourself as a serious blogger. Once you have got some audience and traffic, that's when you will start making money from your free blog. Of course, at that point, you may want to move to a paid blogging solution, getting your own domain name and a hosting account, but that's a whole another topic. Hope you find Money Pantry helpful. If you have any tips, suggestions or questions, please feel free to ask them in comments. So that's it for now. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so you never miss an update from our side.